make my job harder in 1 minute. Who cares? I'm already expecting the fail of it. Are you ready? I am not. Ah. Ah. Ta-da! Hello puzzle lovers, another day, another puzzle, and today we're gonna work on this puzzle being requested by Green Dream. Thank you for your request, and let's get straight to it. Attempt number 1. This is a new assembled puzzle. We assembled it yesterday, and right now I'm going to attempt to 1 minute multiple flipping puzzle challenge. Let's call it this way. So I have a minute timer here, and let's see how many times I can flip it. Are you ready? I'm kind of not, but anyway, we're starting. Let's do it. Okay, that was number 1. It's like almost good. Let me see. Time is ticking. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It wasn't too good attempt, but it's take 1, so we can do that. Okay. Let's try it again. It's like, it's number 2. Almost good. My fingers are shaking. Okay, that's the result. What do you have? That's where I ended up to. Can you do it better? If you do, tag us. I want to see it. After success with the last puzzle, you see on my face that I'm disappointed. So later I decided to try a take number 2. Let me get this puzzle back into one piece, learn from my mistakes, and give myself a second chance. Let's see what I can do better. Okay, here's the puzzle on the back. But let me show you what we're dealing with. So that's the puzzle connection. As you can see, not all of them are like connecting to each other seriously, you see? like barely holding each other. So that's why I have a strategy. So the plan is to grab them like on the corners, just because like up to here, you see this area is more strong connected to each other than like this or this or this. So I'm gonna take it on the side, you see, because it's like a stronger hold in here. So that's the plan. Okay, first thing we have to deal with is to flip this thing over. Let's try and like not broke it. Okay, good. Okay guys, last time we showed you a different type of challenges, and right now we're gonna try it again. We have a maiden wind, as you can see, so probably will make our job harder, my job harder, but you know what, who cares when you are gonna do that. So the plan is to flip it as many times as we can in 1 minute. I'm already expecting the fail of it, but I'm gonna try to flip it as many times as I can, even if it's getting broken. Are you ready? I am not, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's do it. Два. Three. You know what? 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10. 11. 12. 13. That's what I ended up with. It's like starts to falling apart in the process. So it seems like I'm gonna have more homework at night to put it back together. Actually ended up better than I expected. You see? Like the whole piece is falling. Let's put it together. And a couple of them ended up on the floor. I need to fix that too. Let's do the last turnover, just because I need it to be visible. Ta-da! The end of this challenge. If you're gonna try it, like, please tag me. I really want to see how others do it. I would say actually it's success. I expect much worse. I expect like this corner to fall off like straight away, and then like try to like just flip the corners just because it will be like a big chunks of puzzles. But it's actually right my expectation from this puzzle. The quality of the puzzles is nice. So for example, when I'm touching here, it's like nothing catching my finger or anything. So it's actually like every time I flip it over on this side that I can just slide it easily, that it will like get back together for the next turn. It's actually get worse when it's on the other side. Thank you, Lingering Dream, for requesting this puzzle. It was fun to put together. It was fun to do the challenges with it, and I'm expecting more fun to put it back together tonight. The next puzzle will be a surprise. I actually have a neighbors, really good friend of mine, and they knew about my birthday. And for my birthday, they picked the puzzle special for me. And when they gave it to me, the box was actually covered that I had no idea what's inside. That's what we're gonna do next. So stay tuned, do the challenges, tag us, and I hope to see you next week. First thing to do. Second thing to do. Okay. And yes, I know it's more puzzles under. But you know what? I'm gonna think about that tomorrow. We're supposed to have a corn somewhere that we don't. We don't yet. Here is the corn. Count seconds. How much do I left? Last one. Done. So usually when I'm putting the puzzle together, I'm expecting it to be framed and hang somewhere on the wall. So this one will be really amazing place, even for outdoors. Seriously, like on your deck, if it's, as long as it's covered, or in your living room. If you love the parties or something, I would say that teenagers would love it too. Supposed to love it too in their interior. It's bright. It's like catching attention. It's a bunch of different things. It's a lot of small details that you wanna like browse with your eyes on, like, oh, what these people do, what that people do. For example, oh, kite. I actually didn't do it for a long time. I should schedule something with my friends, you know? Or for example, oh, that's a lemonade or something. I should like share my recipes. We should get together, like sit on the deck during the tea and like share the recipes of the lemonade. The quality of the puzzle is good. For example, when I'm touching it, it's like barely touches. Like, come on, it's been flipped a couple of times, like scratch on the table probably. So I do have a couple of white corners here that like been probably like distressed and like scratched on the table. But other than that, it should be pretty easy going puzzle to get hanged. But yes, it's probably needs to get puzzle glue on the back or sticker paper or something else. But other than that, great piece for the interior. To save your memories, not only by assembling it together by the whole family, but also by enjoying the outdoor time. It's make me miss 4th of July. That's how it looks like. That's what it takes to make a video. In this case, it is a tripod, cat scratcher, and some clamps, as well as lights, phones, and camera. When I'm watching this picture, I'm missing gatherings. Gatherings and branches, barbecue, meetings, playing together. So it's all stopped at pandemic. And now it's kind of like you have to schedule it. Let's see. That's the connection. That's what I was told you about. You see how easily it splits? Lights, camera, action. Hello, puzzle lovers. Welcome back to LG Live. As it is, we're not gonna make it look good just to look good, right? So it is what it is. Ta-da! Trash pile. That's normal look for our kitchen. Anyway, that's a backstage video. Let's say it's a video for the new YouTubers. You don't have to be perfect. Welcome to welcome to free judging space. Put it back. That's how it's supposed to be. Like, you can do it this way. Ta-da! Больно? Колечко?
Stop. 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 Stop video. Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Stop.